Hello and welcome to ENG ENGINE. It's story time with reading and listening skills. You have a few questions to answer after the story, so read and listen to the story carefully. Let's start the story. Is the donkey clever? Let us see how clever the donkey is. Once in a village, there lived a salt seller. He used to carry the salt bags on his donkey to the market every day. On the way, they had to cross a stream. As the salt bags were heavy, the donkey felt difficult to carry. One day, the donkey suddenly tumbled down the stream and the salt bags also fell into the water. The salt dissolved in the water and the salt bags became very light to carry. The donkey was happy and he started to play the same trick every day. The salt seller understood the trick and decided to teach the donkey a lesson. The next day, he loaded a cotton bag on the donkey. The donkey tried to play the same trick, thinking that the cotton bag would become lighter. The cotton bag became very heavy to carry when it fell into the water. The donkey suffered to carry the dampened cotton bags. It learnt a lesson and never played the trick any more after that day. Moral: luck won't favor always. Now, based on the story, you have 5 questions to answer. The time to answer each question is 5 seconds and each correct answer carries 1 point. Ready for the test? Well, if you like the story, give a thumbs up and share the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.